All kitchen verbs in English with meaning. Grate.
Grate. To rub food against the rough surface of a metal device having holes through which small pieces of the food fall as they break off.
BBQ.
Barbecue. To roast or broil food, such as meat on a rack or revolving spit over or before a source of heat, such as hot coals or a gas flame.
Layer.
Layer. Making a layer of something or layering a cake using layers of cream, chocolate, and sliced fruit.
Whisk.
Whisk. To beat eggs, cream, etc. with a special tool in order to add air and make the food light.
Melt.
Melt. To become liquefied by warmth or heat, as ice, snow, butter, or metal.
Peel.
Peel. Remove the skin of fruit and vegetables.
Pinch.
Pinch. Pinch is the act of squeezing your index and thumb together to grab something. You can pinch off stuff from food, but you always add a pinch.
Pour.
Pour. To make a substance flow from a container, especially into another container, by raising just one side of the container that the substance is in.
Scramble.
Scramble. To mix food as it is being fried, especially eggs or tofu.
Serve.
Serve. To give someone food or drink. For example, at a restaurant or during a meal.
Toast.
Toast. To make bread or other food warm, crisp and brown by putting it near a high heat.
Simmer.
Simmer. To cook something liquid, or something with liquid in it, at a temperature slightly below boiling.
Slice.
Slice. To cut something into thin pieces, or to cut one or more thin pieces from something.
Spread.
Spread. To put a soft substance on a surface and make it cover it, or to be able to be put on a surface in this way.
Stir.
Stir. To mix a liquid or other substance by moving an object such as a spoon in a circular pattern.
Taste.
Taste. To put food or drink in your mouth. To find out what flavor it has.
Beat.
Beat. To mix something repeatedly using a utensil such as a spoon or whisk.
Add.
Add. To put two or more numbers or amounts together to get a total.
Bake.
Bake. To cook inside an oven, without using added liquid or fat.
Blend.
Blend. To make something into a smooth liquid, or chop it into small pieces, using an electric machine.
Boil.
Boil. To reach, or cause something to reach, the temperature at which a liquid starts to turn into a gas.
Bread.
Bread. To cover in breadcrumbs before cooking. To cover with bits of dry bread before cooking.
Sift.
Sift. To put flour, sugar, etc. through a sieve to break up large pieces.
Roast.
Roast. To cook food in an oven or over a fire. To heat nuts or coffee beans so that they become drier and browner.
Chop.
Chop. To cut something into pieces with an axe, knife, or other sharp instrument.
Cut.
Cut. To break the surface of something, or to divide or make something smaller, using a sharp tool, especially a knife.
Dip.
Dip. To put something into a liquid for a short time. For example, putting potato chips in ketchup.
Fry.
Fry. To cook food in hot oil or fat.
Roll.
Roll. Roll refers to mechanically flattening a food, usually a dough or pastry, with a rolling pin.
Cook.
Cook. When you cook food, you prepare it to be eaten by heating it in a particular way, such as baking or boiling.
Mix.
Mix. To cause different substances to combine, so that the result cannot easily be separated into its parts.
Measure.
Measure. To obtain an exact quantity or amount of an ingredient.
Grill.
Grill. To cook by putting the food on a grill, similar to barbecue.
Knead.
Knead. To press and stretch dough with your hands. Usually used when making bread.
Steam.
Steam. To cook by placing the food above boiling water. Steam is the vapor that comes from hot water. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel and share our videos with your friends.